Dogecoin is one of social media's favorite topics currently. The proponents of Dogecoin, or Doge, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke but is now one of the most popular coins around due to Musk's continuous tweets about Dogecoin, it's been maintaining its spot as a trending topic for a while now. So how does Doge work? Can an investor take it as a serious investment? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Doge is, so be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Dogecoin, native token Doge, is a cryptocurrency that came into existence in 2013. Based on comedic inspiration rather than a particularly strong need to fulfill a use case. The cryptocurrency was inspired by the Doge meme, which shows a picture of a Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed, sitting paws folded over each other. Text overlays the picture of the dog with phrases touting nonsensical grammar. Dogecoin got its inspiration from the humorous and eccentric culture of the overall cryptocurrency community, which first began to form in 2009 with the launch of Bitcoin. Following Bitcoin, a blockchain-based asset capable of moving and storing value, came thousands of other crypto assets, touting other benefits such as added privacy. One of the most popular uses for Dogecoin is tipping fellow internet-goers who generate or share great content. It bears more value primarily due to its user-friendly system. No smart training, no special expertise required. It is easily compatible with your computer, smartphone, or website. Dogecoin is similar to buying any goods in supermarkets through credit cards. The only thing where Dogecoin stands apart is that Doge is used with a wallet to buy goods or services, or buy Dogecoin with Bitcoin or fiat currencies. Dogecoin was designed to be a friendly, more approachable form of cryptocurrency that could reach users put off by the cold complexity of Bitcoin. Even its name is taken from a popular internet meme. A choice feature of Dogecoin today is as a tipping service. Users will tip other users for posts or contributions they believe deserve recognition. It is a more compelling way rather than just like on any social media platform that encourages other users to read the review and be fascinated to buy Dogecoin. Never-ending social media hype by retail investor accounts for Dogecoin cryptocurrency will always outshine newly launched dog coins like Shiba Inu. In 2020, users of the social media platform TikTok gave Dogecoin considerable attention to get folks to buy the asset, hoping the coin would rise in price. Dogecoin garnered more interest in 2021, including attention from a Reddit-based group, Wall Street Bets. Around the time of the GameStop stock price surge in January 2021, a Twitter user named WSB Chairman posted a tweet, pondering if Dogecoin had ever summited the dollar price point. Dogecoin's price rose to roughly 7 cents following the tweet. Also contributing to Dogecoin's popularity in 2021 may very well have been the Dogecoin-related tweets posted by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Tweets range from comments on the coin's development to a picture of a Rafiki holding up Simba from the movie The Lion King, with Musk's head posted on Rafiki's body and the head of the Doge dog pasted on Simba's body. Multiple social media platforms serve as hotbeds for Dogecoin discussion, including Reddit. During 2021, Dogecoin-related searches flooded Google, Twitter hosted a significant amount of chatter related to the asset, and mainstream media gave the digital asset airtime. Single-day trading volume for Dogecoin also rose past Bitcoins on at least one occasion in 2021, with billions of dollars worth of the coin traded. For years, Dogecoin has had an interested community, but fanfare around the asset propelled its price to towering heights in 2021. However, the coin itself does not especially hold many notable features that would suggest it might take over as the world's dominant currency or store of value. Why can't Dogecoin become mainstream currency? Dogecoin's supply perhaps serves as the main reason. The coin comes with no limit on its maximum coin supply. Daily, 14 million additional Dogecoin is mined, having an inflationary effect on the asset's value. In contrast, Bitcoin, for example, comes with a fixed 21 million coin maximum supply, giving it defined scarcity. Dogecoin, however, can potentially serve as a form of currency for tipping or payments, online or otherwise. Its US dollar price is comparatively much lower per unit than that of other crypto assets, such as BTC, allowing users to work with whole numbers rather than transacting in fractions of BTC. On the one hand, Doge appears to be potentially more viable than Bitcoin as a transactional asset due to Dogecoin's lower unit price, popularity, and transaction speed. The coin's community has also made Doge relatable for the mainstream. However, it is also true that the asset could go the way of many previous fads before it, gaining significant public attention for a time, but failing to stick as a unique long-term solution for anything. Dogecoin's technical makeup does put the asset notably ahead of Bitcoin in terms of transaction speeds. Blocks are mined on Bitcoin's blockchain every 10 minutes. Blocks on Dogecoin's blockchain take only 1 minute per block. Therefore, although each block on Dogecoin and Bitcoin's respective blockchains is 1 megabyte in size, Dogecoin's blockchain generates more blocks in the same amount of time. Bitcoin's lack of transaction speed has been noted in the past, although Bitcoin has become seen more so as a store of value asset over the years. Since 2013, Dogecoin has traded for less than a penny per coin. In early 2018, Dogecoin's price hit approximately $0.018, subsequently falling back down below a penny in the following months and years. In early January 2021, Dogecoin's price popped back up above the penny mark for a short period. Moreover, the asset yielded a major price rally in late January, when Dogecoin surged up to about 7 cents per coin in a matter of 2 daily candles or a 48-hour window of time. Then several days later, the asset found itself up to around 0.088 cents per coin. After a decline down to the 4-cent range, the coin's price consolidated for weeks, leading up to its rapid upward price run. As per last year's Dogecoin price prediction, Crypto News Z data indicates that the Doge price has stagnated for the past year. Elon Musk has continued helping to boost the price of Dogecoin. The Dogecoin's price target has been showing tremendous growth over the last few days as of Elon Musk's continuous support with accepting Dogecoin as a payment for goods and institutional adoption. In May 2021, Dogecoin's price hit a new all-time high of $0.7376. Due to the continuous celebrity support and also recently listed on eToro, it is predicted to continue significant growth in terms of price in the upcoming months. Elon Musk's recent tweet explains that one can buy Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Also, according to the Tesla official website, one can use Dogecoin to purchase the Cyber Whistle, Giga Texas belt buckle, and Cyber Quad for kids. According to the latest Dogecoin news, AMC has started accepting payments in meme coins, and Mark Cuban, the owner of Dallas Maverick, accepts Dogecoins for tickets and merchandise. After Elon Musk's supporting gestures, the meme coin gained traction on social media. Elon Musk's tweet stating the acceptance of the token as an active payment mode for merch brought positive momentum on Dogecoin's price, influencing market Dogecoin price predictions positively within 24 hours. Also, when he was asked what makes him choose Doge over other coins, he responded over Twitter that Doge has dogs and memes, whereas the others do not. As per the one-year Dogecoin forecast, the short-term average price of Doge is predicted to cross 27 cents by the end of this year, due to the recent massive sell-off in the crypto market. Dogecoin price is expected to recover its lost momentum and head towards its previous support level of 30 cents towards the beginning of 2022. As per the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, the price of Dogecoin crypto Doge might trade above 33 cents by the end of the year. The predicted high for 2022 might be around $0.336, and on the downside, the low might be approximately $0.28. The one-year price is projected as per our prediction for 2022. It can't be ignored that Dogecoin offers the advantages of being a fixed inflationary currency, which makes it synonymous with real-world fiat currency. This unique characteristic allows Dogecoin users not to hoard the tangible assets and bank on more liquidity, since they actively trade and use their currencies. However, it is to be seen that more and more people are becoming aware and at the same time vulnerable about their investments, as markets are becoming more and more competitive. Some faith riders have poured in their confidence in coins and ride high stallions. With a lot of money driving the crypto market wave and developments, Dogecoin's future may see a surge in its current price. The Dogecoin price is expected to hit new highs of 75 cents in the future. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Doge? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, We'll see you in the next video.